Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to enable display promotional notifications Opera browser on computer. So how to enable display promotional notifications Opera browser on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Opera browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Opera browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are lots of menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this and scroll down. And tap the settings menu here. Now here you are in the settings menu. Enter the privacy security menu. Now here you are in the privacy security menu. Then scroll down. Then tap Display Promotional Notifications. This feature allows users to activate promotional notifications in the Opera browser on a computer to receive offer information and updates. So that's it, the tutorial how to enable display promotional notifications Opera browser on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.